today I'm gonna show you how to make $2 from this is 1/6" paper. Ready to learn how to do it? Ready, set, here goes. We start out with a fresh sheet of a 6" comic. And not only one, we can make $2 US from a sheet, and this is this week's tutorial. Fold this and fold it to here. And don't make a fold, just make a pinch mark there and leave and fold it to the visible pinch mark. Yeah, and don't make big pinch marks, just make a small and make another pinch mark. Unfold and fold this edge up to the first mark, and this time flatten it and make a fold. Alright, now rotate and fold this edge up to that edge and make the fold. Now what we're going to do, we are going to unfold this, and first dollar this and second dollar is this. This thing we are going to cut off. So how to do is we are just going to take a scissor and that's to cut this off. Oops, from this direction. And just you have to cut exact like I'm cutting. Now here you don't actually need to cut. For this you are gonna reuse this thing, fold in half, or just fold in half in this direction, turn over in this direction, turn over this direction, turn over this direction, turn over this direction, and turn over this direction, and tear either with the scissor or we can tear it like I am tearing. Alright, here there are the fresh $2, and we can fold anything with the dollar. My tutorial of dollar is coming soon. Be tuned. Bye.